What's up, guys? It's your girl Benny B, and I'm here with you guys with another video today, and we're making vegan macaroni. Vegan macaroni. Okay, guys, so stay tuned if you guys want to see how I make this vegan macaroni. Keep watching.
Alright guys, so this is my first time making vegan macaroni, so I'm really not sure what I'm doing, but I have the concept down of making macaroni. We just have to make it vegan style. So the first thing that I already did was boil the water. So as you can see, I already boiled the water. I already pulled my second pot out that we're using. I believe it's already on. I also already prepped and put out everything that I believe we're going to need. So I have our bonza beans made by chickpeas. That is what I'm going to use for the noodles. I also have our butter out, our vegan cheese, our gluten-free all-purpose, and all the seasonings we're going to use as well. And I already poured our milk out because we need room temperature milk. And I also got our pan out. We're using this pan today, okay? So like I told you guys before, I never cook macaroni and cheese. I'm really not a cook, okay? I'm more of a eater than a cooker. So this is my first time doing my own macaroni and cheese, let alone vegan macaroni and cheese, okay? So we're going to get it started. Let's get it started. Okay. So I have my Earth Balance vegan butter. You can use whichever vegan butter you choose, but this is just what I like to use. I'm gonna get a big stick of butter. This looks about right. Yep, and we're just gonna let that melt. Now you don't want it up too high because you want to slowly add the stuff in there. So I'm gonna turn the fire down just a little bit. I also want to give a shout out to Chef Joya. She is the one that I got this recipe from. It's not 100% the same, so if you guys want to check out her recipe, I will definitely add the link in the description box. I took a little bit of hers and then I added a little bit of mine as well. You know how that goes, right? I added some butter in there. So now it is time for our all-purpose flour. So the all-purpose flour that I have, it has rice flour, potato starch, pea fiber, tapatio starch, I think that's how you say it, tapatio, and then the Exxon gum. I have no idea how to say that either. I'm not really sure how much of this we need again, you guys. Like, I'm not a cook. I'm not the girl to be like, oh, put a fourth of this in there. I don't even know what that means. I won't even sit here and lie to you all. Like, what? What does that mean? Let your ancestors tell you when to stop putting it in there. So, now we're going to add the cheese. And I think I'm going to add a bag and a half. I bought 2 of these cheeses. This is called Viva Life cheese. I went to Walmart. Found in Walmart. Walmart actually has a lot of pretty good stuff for vegans in my area. So, this is what we're using. And I'm going to pour the whole thing in there. I think that's about right. Okay. Pretty thick. At least it's not sticking. That's what I'm glad about. I'm going to add that up somewhere. And I'm going to add the milk in here. I always got to smell the milk. I'm using almond milk, y'all. You know how you gotta look at milk? Milk be looking kind of funny. I don't know. Especially in my house. I don't know about why milk looks funny here, but it looks funny. So, just gonna add some milk. Whisk it around. And it looks pretty good, y'all. Looks pretty cheesy. I'm gonna just turn it down a little bit. Water is boiling, as you can see, so I'm going to add the noodles. I don't know where I'm gonna get it open. Oh my. Okay, I had to murder thing in the box because... Also, you guys, if you have bouillon cubes, you can put vegetable bouillon cubes in your water for flavoring the noodles. But if not, we can use fine sea salt crystals. Or just sea salt, okay? And I'm also going to put a little bit of olive oil in the water just so the noodles won't stick. Boom. Now, I did have 2 boxes of these, but my mama was like, you don't need 2 boxes. Whatever. You know, because I'm vegan, y'all. They be trying to make it seem like I only need to make 1 of everything. I can have 2. But this is my first time making it, so we'll stick with the 1, okay? So again, this is what the box looks like. Anyway, we're going to keep whisking. Alright, I'm glad I turned the fire down because if not, baby girl might be whisking away. And keep adding the milk. No. It looks good. It looks like cheese, like, I don't know. It looks like I'm doing right. My arm is definitely hurting. Chef Joya said my arm is going to hurt, so I believe I'm doing it right. Alright, y'all, so it's time to add some flavoring to this, okay? So boom, that's one. Ooh, I should have put on a what-you-call-it, y'all. Ooh, the new cooking would do all of this to you. Get the black pepper. And then we're going to just put some on in here to cover it on up. That's my southern accent, y'all. Sorry, it comes out sometimes. Okay, and then, let's see. It only comes out when I say and then, and I think that's what it is. Alright, sea salt. What did I do with the sea salt? Sea salt, I'm going to turn that down just a little bit. The girl is multitasking, y'all. Like, first of all, I never even cooked this before, so get a sea salt. like salt like that, so that seemed about like a lot. Powder, y'all. And I'm just gonna, I like garlic. I like garlic. Just seasoning it up a little bit, y'all. I would say a tablespoon for everything. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This smells good already. I don't know what we did. Oh, okay, y'all. So let's prep the oven for 40 minutes. I mean, on 375. I always bake on 375. And we're gonna bake for 40 minutes. It's gonna get real hot over here. If you can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen. Okay. So this smells good already, and all I did was add the garlic powder. Like, I don't know. All right, y'all. So if you have onion powder, add onion powder. But if you do not have onion powder, it's okay to use onion salt. Because I'm gonna use it, but I'm not gonna use that much. Okay. It's come out. This stuff be so up. Okay, y'all. Is it all that? Shit, it's not coming out. Yeah. Okay, bump it. We never needed it in the first place. We never needed you in the first place. Y'all, nutritional yeast. I love nutritional yeast. I put this in like almost all of my vegan meals. It just really helps thicken it up. And I think this is good for you. It has B vitamins, protein, and fiber. Okay, so that's why I like it. Because it has the fiber and the protein. I remember it was something. But it also helps thicken up your food too. I'm going to put enough in here to spread out the pan. They have nutritional yeast. You've probably seen it in like a different package. But we don't need that. We can use this one. And now I have the fire on low because I don't want to like burn it, and I really want to save all the juices, all the cheese for the noodles. Sauce to the mix, just for flavor. I only added like 3 dashes. And some Worcestershire sauce. I was losing my mind looking for Worcestershire sauce the other day. So if you don't have Worcestershire sauce, you can use what's it called? Soy sauce. They have vegan soy sauce or organic soy sauce. But Worcestershire. They have vegan Worcestershire sauce as well. But I'm not gonna put a lot in. Just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. It looks like cheese, but I just don't know. Like, pray for me. Pray for me. So, now we're going to take our monkey sweetener, raw sugar, or monk fruit. I'm talking about monkey. We're going to add a little bit of sugar in there. Okay, not too much, not too much. I don't know if you ever heard of Slutty Vegan, you guys, but I went to Slutty Vegan this summer, and I went and got me some slut dust. So, shout out to Slutty Vegan for the slut dust, the owner Pinky. Thank you. So, we're going to add some slut dust in here. Okay. So, our macaroni should be tasting real slutty. Y'all like that, didn't y'all? You liked it. I know. And then, I believe that is done, our cheese. So, now, you guys, we are going to rinse out the noodles. The noodles, they're done. They're already done. Just wanted to show you guys the pan. If you don't know what pan to use to rinse out noodles, as you can see, it has holes in there. So when you put the pan on there, you're going to pour it over in the sink and then rinse them out. Okay, guys? And remember how I showed you how I was going to, okay, it's still a little watery. So now we're just going to take it, pour the noodles in there. I'm going to remove this before I burn myself. We're going to stir. Looks good, like, yeah. The cheese, low-key, is kind of like helping it out. So, like, I don't know. Oh, the butter's helping it out. Okay, I really want y'all to see this because this is looking really good. Look at it. So remember I told you guys it was like too much butter in there or whatever? But now it doesn't look like there's that much butter in there at all. Okay? So now we're going to take our handy dandy pan. I'm going to spray some vegetable oil in it. Whatever oil you have. Just because I don't want the pan to get like, you know, non-stick stuff going on over here, guys. Right. Ooh, I'm scared. Y'all say the Lord be with a child. Ooh. I'm getting it all on the handle. So much butter in the pan, but I don't think that's a bad thing. Because at least it won't be dry. Oh my God, this is a lot of macaroni. Whoa, shit. Oh, see how people cook by themselves. Okay. I really had a good time making this. Alright. Alright, so this is what we're working with right now. It already looks like mac and cheese, but of course we have to bake it. So no, it's not done. It looks good. Still one bag of cheese left, you guys. I'm going to take the cheese. Before I take the cheese, I want to add some more slut dust on top. Just for flavor, and I hope I'm not over flavoring it, but just for some flavor. And then I'm going to go ahead and add more cheese on top of the mac and cheese. And that is it. We're going to put that in the oven for 40 minutes. I'm going to put my timer on, and I will be back to show you guys. And it's ready, as you heard. I'll be back to show you guys the finishing results. I mentioned this really cool trick that Chef Joya had did and that I wanted to try out. She had took just egg. I forgot about this. She had took the just egg and she had mixed half of it with some milk, almond milk, whatever milk you was using to make the macaroni. And then she added some of her seasoning, whichever seasoning of her choice. I think she said garlic powder. And she made a custard and she poured it on top. And we're gonna pour it on. And then she added more cheese on top of it, y'all. I hope I didn't mess it up. It looked pretty good without what I just did, but I wanted to try it. Because that's how I wanted to try it. And it hasn't been in there that long until I realized I forgot a step. So we still on time. We still right on time. Alright, y'all. You could put all the cheese in there, but I be making burgers, so I'm just, you know. Okay. Now we're gonna let that baby cook, and I'll be back in like, I'm gonna check on it in like 30 minutes or 15 minutes, and then we'll see. Get that macaroni in. Yes, macaroni. It looks good. I'm excited. Alright guys, so I'm back. Now for the taste tester. It has been over 40 minutes, so I was in there for 40 minutes. And now for the taste tester. Where's my glasses at? I cannot see. Here. Okay, let me just bring you guys in a little bit closer. Alright guys. Hi. Cheers. It's like really creamy. It's dripping. Oh my god. Y'all, we made macaroni. This is mine, so I can eat out of it. We made macaroni. That's how you know it's good when you got the thing. Yeah, this is good. I'm proud of myself. So this is my first time ever cooking macaroni. Oh my god, the flavor. It just hit me. I just got one with some flavor on it. This is good. Alright guys. No, do not use that much butter. I use too much butter. But this is good. Alright guys, we did it. High five.
Alright guys, if you want to make more vegan food with me, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so we can make more vegan food. This is really good. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait for my family to try it. I might do some blind reaction videos to my vegan food, to my vegan macaroni, because you guys just got a blind reaction to mine. So this is good. All right guys, bye.